Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study, and in our last video we have discussed about the religious festival, harvest festival and the national days. And in this video we are going to discuss about the important birthdays. So student, in India, we observe certain special days such as our festival and our national day, and we celebrate the birthday of great personality as a important birthday, as an important day. So student, in this video we are going to discuss about the birthday of some great Indians as important birthday. So now look at the topic, important birthdays. So student, first of all we will read this paragraph. Apart from the festivals and national days we have just read about, we also celebrate the birthdays of some great Indians who have helped to make our country a better place. So student, apart from the festival, in India we also celebrate the religious festival, harvest festival, New Year festival. We also celebrate the birthday of some great person and some great personality and some great Indians who have helped to make our country a better place, who have helped to make our country a great nation, a very good nation. So student, now look at the birthday one by one. Look at next page. Children Day. Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, was very fond of children. His birthday on 14 November is celebrated as Children Day. So student, Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India and he likes children too much and he is very fond of children, and his birthday is on 14 November, and so we celebrate his birthday as Children Day because he likes children very much and he is very fond of children, so we celebrate his birthday as Children Day every year. Now look at the second. This is the picture of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. In short, we can say Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the second President of India, was a great teacher. His birthday on 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. The student, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is the second President of India and was a great and a best teacher. So we celebrate his birthday as a Teacher Day, and his birthday comes on 5th September, and we celebrate his birthday as a Teacher Day every year in school. So student, on 5th, when we ask someone why we celebrate Teacher Day, then we say we celebrate Teacher Day on 5th September every year because this is the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who was a great teacher. So we celebrate his birthday as a Teacher Day. Now look at the next. This is a picture of Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand called upon the youth of India to work for the welfare of our country. His birthday on 12th January is celebrated at National Youth Day. So student, look at the picture. This is the picture of Swami Vivekanand, and he's called upon the youth of India and he worked for the welfare of our country. He worked for the goodness of our country, and his birthday comes on 12th January. So we celebrate his birthday as a National Youth Day because we call upon the youth of India. So we celebrate his birthday as a National Youth Day. Now look at the next picture. Look at this picture. This is the picture of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar worked for the welfare of the oppressed. His birthday on 14 April is observed as Ambedkar Jayanti. So, student, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar worked for the goodness and the work in favor of the weaker section of the society. He worked for the Dalits and weaker section of the society, which was dominant by the upper section of the society, and he worked for the welfare of the weaker section of the society, and he worked for the welfare of the Dalits. So his birthday, we celebrate his birthday on 14 April as Ambedkar Jayanti. His birthday comes on 14 April and we celebrate his birthday every year as Ambedkar Jayanti. Now look at the next. This is the picture of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was an important freedom fighter. He worked for the unity of the country. His birthday on 31st October is celebrated as National Unity Day. So student, Dr. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was an important freedom fighter. Was an important freedom fighter and he worked for the unity of the country. He worked for the unification of the country. So we celebrate his birthday as the National Unity Day. And his birthday comes on 31st October and we celebrate his birthday as National Unity Day. So student, I hope you all are understood about this about the important birthday. We celebrate the birthday of we celebrate the birthday of great personality as important days, and we celebrate the birthday of some great Indians who have helped to make our country a better place. So we celebrate we celebrate their birthday as an important birthday and important day. So we have to learn about the important birthdays and why we celebrate the important birthday. So student, that's all and thank you.